The moon, our celestial neighbor, has always captured our imagination. But could it become our new home? Let's explore the possibility of human migration to the moon. The moon lacks an atmosphere and has extreme temperature variations, ranging from -173°C at night to 127°C during the day. To survive, humans would need to live in pressurized habitats and wear specialized spacesuits when outside. But living on the moon isn't just about surviving. It's also about thriving. Researchers have developed innovative solutions to create sustainable lunar habitats. For example, 3D printing technology can be used to construct buildings using moon dust as raw material. Another solution is to use solar power to generate electricity. The moon receives 14 days of continuous sunlight, which could power the entire lunar base. Another fascinating aspect is the potential for space tourism. Imagine traveling to the moon and experiencing the awe-inspiring views of Earth from space. This could become a reality in the future as private companies are already planning lunar tourism trips. But the moon isn't just a barren rock. It has abundant resources that could be used to sustain human life. For example, water ice has been detected in shadowed regions of the moon's polar regions. This water could be used for drinking, growing crops, and even producing rocket fuel. In fact, the moon could serve as a launch pad for further space exploration. Its low gravity makes it an ideal location for launching spacecraft. So, could humans migrate to the moon? The answer is yes. With the right technology and resources, it's definitely possible. And who knows, maybe one day the moon will become our new home. For more contents, do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment. See you in the next video.